Duniya TV, aapki screen par. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you're watching on Facebook or TikTok, make sure to follow, like, and share this video. Duniya TV, aapki screen par. Viewers, today we bring you a historic and groundbreaking story from the political heart of New York, where history has just been made. New York elects its first Muslim mayor, the historic victory of Zohran Mamdani. For the first time in history, New York City has elected a Muslim mayor. Zohran Mamdani, representing the Democratic Party, has become the youngest person to lead the city in over a century, winning this seat at the age of just 34. Mamdani was born in Kampala, Uganda, in 1991. His father, Mahmoud Mamdani, is a renowned political scholar, and his mother, Mira Nair, is an internationally acclaimed filmmaker in both Hollywood and Bollywood. He spent part of his childhood in Cape Town, South Africa, and moved to New York City at the age of 7 with his parents. After graduating from Bowdoin College with a degree in Africana Studies, he worked as a foreclosure prevention counselor, helping struggling families save their homes from debt-related evictions. This deep connection with the working class laid the foundation of his politics. Zohran Mamdani's campaign stood out. No massive funding, no strong party backing. Yet his focus on real issues won the hearts of countless voters. He raised topics that affect everyday New Yorkers: affordable housing and rent-frees, free bus service, universal child care, and better support for low-income communities. Through viral videos, podcasts, and social media, he turned his campaign into a grassroots movement. The result? He defeated two powerful rivals, former Governor Andrew Cuomo and Republican candidate Curtis Sliwa, with a decisive victory.
Zohran Mamdani's success is historic in many ways. He is not only New York's first Muslim mayor, but also represents a new generation of progressive leadership within the Democratic Party, the kind that left-wing Democrats have long been waiting for. During the campaign, former U.S. President Donald Trump called him a communist and even warned that federal funds could be cut off if New York elected such a leader. Now, as mayor-elect, Zohran Mamdani faces real tests. How will he turn his bold promises into action without prior administrative experience? And how will he balance relations with the federal government and city bureaucracy? On global issues, he openly criticized Israel's actions during the Gaza war, showing his willingness to take a clear moral stance. However, analysts believe such positions might bring diplomatic challenges during his tenure. Zohran Mamdani's victory is more than just a political win. It's the rise of a new vision, a new generation, and people-powered leadership. New York has turned a new page in its history, and the world is now watching this young mayor with great anticipation. Duniya TV, aapki screen par, where every story is seen through the eyes of the world.